Nepal, a landlocked nation nestled in the Himalayas, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. But beyond the towering peaks and ancient temples lies a hidden gem, Nepal's vibrant street food scene. From bustling city streets to quaint mountain villages, street food in Nepal is more than just a quick bite, it's a way of life. Imagine strolling through the vibrant streets of Kathmandu, the air thick with the aroma of spices and sizzling oil. Street vendors expertly craft culinary delights, their hands moving with practiced precision. Each dish tells a story passed down through generations and infused with the heart and soul of Nepalese cuisine. Nepalese street food is a testament to the country's diverse cultural heritage. Join me as we embark on a culinary adventure, delving deep into the heart of Nepalese street food. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and embark on a journey that will make you crave the intoxicating flavors of Nepal. When people think of Nepalese food, momos, the beloved dumplings, often steal the spotlight. While these steamed or fried parcels of deliciousness are undoubtedly a staple, Nepalese street food extends far beyond these iconic treats. From savory snacks to sweet indulgences, Nepalese street food offers something for everyone. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crispy, golden brown sel roti, a traditional sweet rice bread that's slightly sweet and utterly addictive. Or perhaps you'd prefer the comforting warmth of aloo chop, spiced potato patties fried to perfection and served with tangy chutneys. Each region of Nepal boasts its own unique street food specialties, showcasing the diversity of the country's culinary landscape. The possibilities are endless, and each bite is an opportunity to savor the authentic flavors of Nepal. What truly sets Nepalese street food apart is its remarkable ability to balance a symphony of flavors. Imagine a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and tangy notes dancing on your tongue. Fresh herbs like cilantro and mint add a refreshing brightness, while ginger and garlic provide a warm, earthy depth. Chilies, a staple in Nepalese cuisine, infuse dishes with varying levels of heat, from a gentle warmth to a fiery kick. The key lies in the careful combination of these elements, creating a harmonious balance that is both complex and satisfying. Whether it's the delicate texture of a steamed momo or the satisfying crunch of a fried aloo chop, Nepalese street food is a testament to the art of culinary craftsmanship. Ah, momos. These delectable dumplings are the undisputed kings of Nepalese street food. No culinary adventure in Nepal is complete without savoring these steamed or fried parcels of goodness. Traditionally filled with minced buffalo meat, momos have evolved to embrace a variety of fillings, catering to every palate. From succulent chicken and savory vegetables to rich paneer cheese, there's a momo out there for everyone. The fillings are carefully seasoned with a blend of ginger, garlic, onions, and a medley of spices, creating a symphony of aromas that will tantalize your senses. They can be enjoyed steamed for a lighter option, or fried to a crispy golden brown. And let's not forget the accompanying dips, tangy tomato chutney, spicy sesame sauce, or a fiery chili pickle, each adding another layer of flavor to this culinary masterpiece. Street vendors skillfully pleat and steam momos in large batches, their aroma filling the air and beckoning hungry passersby. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavor with pani puri, a popular street food snack that will leave you craving more. Imagine a small, crispy puri filled with a tantalizing mixture of potatoes, chickpeas, onions, and chutneys. Now, picture yourself carefully dipping this flavor-packed sphere into a tangy, spiced water known as pani before taking a big bite. The moment the pani puri meets your tongue, a burst of contrasting flavors and textures erupts in your mouth. The crispy puri provides a satisfying crunch, while the fillings offer a delightful combination of savory, sweet, and spicy notes. The pani, with its unique blend of tamarind, mint, coriander, and chaat masala, adds a refreshing tanginess that cuts through the richness of the other ingredients. It's an explosion of flavors and textures that will leave you wanting more, showcasing the vibrant and adventurous spirit of Nepalese street food. Often referred to as the Nepalese pizza, chatamari is a savory rice crepe that holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of the Nepalese people. Imagine a thin, crispy crepe made from rice flour, cooked to perfection on a flat pan. Now picture this blank canvas adorned with a colorful medley of toppings, transforming it into a culinary masterpiece. The base of chowmein, made from soaked and ground rice, is delicately spiced and spread thinly on a hot pan. As it cooks, the edges curl up slightly, creating a crispy outer rim and a soft, chewy center. The toppings for chowmein are as diverse as the people of Nepal, ranging from simple to elaborate. Each bite offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors, a testament to the ingenuity of Nepalese street food vendors. Venture beyond the savory delights of momos and pani puri and you'll encounter sel roti, a sweet and savory bread that holds a special place in Nepalese cuisine. Imagine a crispy, golden brown ring, its intricate design reminiscent of a delicate lace doily. This is sel roti, a traditional Nepalese bread made from rice flour, sugar, and a hint of spice. The preparation of sel roti is an art form in itself. Rice flour is mixed with water and sugar, forming a smooth, pliable dough. The dough is then carefully poured into hot oil through a funnel, creating the signature ring shape. As it fries, the sel roti puffs up, forming a crispy exterior and a soft, slightly chewy interior. Often prepared during festivals and special occasions, sel roti represents prosperity and good fortune. For a taste of pure comfort food, look no further than aloo chop, a popular Nepalese street food snack that will satisfy your cravings for something crispy, savory, and utterly delicious. Imagine biting into a golden brown patty, its exterior crispy and crunchy, giving way to a soft, flavorful interior. This is aloo chop, a simple yet satisfying snack made from mashed potatoes, spices, and a touch of magic. The spiced potato mixture is then shaped into patties, coated in breadcrumbs and deep fried until golden brown and crispy. Aloo chop is best enjoyed hot, straight from the frying pan. Often served with a side of tangy tamarind chutney or a refreshing mint coriander chutney, aloo chop is a perfect snack or light meal that can be enjoyed any time of day. Its simplicity and deliciousness have made it a beloved street food item across Nepal. To truly understand the allure of Nepalese street food, one must look beyond the delicious dishes themselves and appreciate the cultural significance they hold. Street food in Nepal is more than just a quick bite, it's a way of life, a reflection of the country's rich culinary heritage and vibrant social fabric. From bustling city streets to quaint mountain villages, street food stalls are an integral part of the Nepalese landscape. The act of eating street food in Nepal is often a communal experience. Strangers become friends over steaming plates of momos, and laughter fills the air as people bond over their shared love of spicy pani puri. Close your eyes and imagine this: the tangy zip of lime juice hitting your tongue, followed by the slow burn of chili, building to a crescendo of flavor. That's the magic of Nepalese street food, a carefully orchestrated symphony on your palate. Take, for instance, the humble samosa. While common throughout South Asia, Nepal's version bursts with its own personality. The crispy, flaky pastry shatters, revealing a filling not just hot, but alive with spice. Potatoes and peas are merely the canvas for cumin, turmeric, and garam masala to paint their warmth upon. But then, a cooling raita, yogurt blended with cucumber and mint, comes to the rescue. This interplay is constant in Nepalese cuisine, where sweet, sour, spicy, and savory dance together. While recipes and techniques are passed down through generations in Nepal, there's a secret ingredient often unspoken: freshness. This isn't a marketing buzzword, but a way of life. Ingredients don't arrive pre-packaged, they're sourced that day, their vibrancy evident in every dish. Imagine a market not just bustling but overflowing. Tomatoes still warm from the sun, their skins taut with juice. Cilantro, its aroma released with a touch, piled emerald green. This vibrant freshness elevates Nepalese street food from good to unforgettable. In the world of Nepalese street food, cooking isn't just a science, it's an art. While modern kitchens boast fancy gadgets, here, mastery lies in the dance between simple tools and the elements. The smoky kiss of charcoal, the gentle embrace of steam. These are the techniques that unlock extraordinary flavors. Picture this: a street vendor, his face weathered by time and his hands moving with practiced grace, tends to a charcoal grill. Skewers of marinated meat sizzle, their fat dripping onto the coals, releasing an irresistible aroma. This is sekua, where the flame becomes an artist's brush. The charcoal imparts a smoky depth, a primal satisfaction impossible to replicate with gas or electricity. This mastery over fire and water is what gives Nepalese street food its soul. Section 1. A plate of memories. Nepal isn't just a place, it's a tapestry of sensory experiences. The crisp mountain air, the melody of prayer flags, and the aroma of street food. One memory takes me back to my first trek in the Annapurna region. Hiking for hours through rhododendron forests, anticipation building. We found a tea house on the mountainside, greeted by the owner, her smile as warm as the tea. Then I saw them, steaming plates of momos. Each bite, dipped in spicy chutney, chased away the chill. Sharing stories with fellow trekkers, the Himalayas witnessing our joy. It's often said that food is a universal language, and I experienced this truth firsthand on the bustling streets of Kathmandu. Navigating the labyrinthine alleys of Thamel, a sudden downpour forced me to seek shelter. Huddled beneath a makeshift awning, I found myself beside an elderly woman. We exchanged hesitant smiles, the language barrier a tangible wall between us. Then, I noticed the plate in her hand, a generous serving of momos. Summoning my courage, I gestured towards the momos. Her face lit up in understanding and she offered me one. Hesitantly at first, then with growing enthusiasm, we shared that plate of momos, the language of food bridging the gap between us. We communicated through smiles and gestures, sharing stories about our lives, our cultures. The rain continued its rhythmic drumming on the awning, but beneath that shared shelter, a bond had formed. It was a powerful reminder that even in the most unexpected encounters, food can create connections that transcend words. Nepalese street food is more than just sustenance. It represents tradition, hospitality, and a deep connection to the land. Dal bhat, a simple dish of lentil soup and rice, is a cultural staple. It's a symbol of nourishment and home. Street food vendors are keepers of tradition. Their stalls are a source of pride and livelihood. Street food brings people together, fostering community and shared experience. As we reach the end of our Nepalese street food adventure, one thing is clear. This isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your soul. Each dish, from the humble momo to the intricate chowmein, is an invitation to experience Nepal on a plate. It's the burst of flavor that greets you with every bite, a symphony of spices harmonizing with fresh, local ingredients. It's the warmth of the people, their smiles as genuine as the food they prepare. It's the understanding that a meal is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of culture, tradition, and connection. If you're seeking an adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves a lasting impression, a culinary pilgrimage to Nepal awaits. Imagine yourself navigating bustling markets, the air thick with the aroma of spices and sizzling oil. Picture yourself pulling up a plastic stool at a street-side stall, the anticipation building as your order is prepared with practiced skill, and then that first bite, a revelation of flavor, texture, and the realization that you've stumbled upon something truly special. But what if a trip to Nepal isn't in the cards just yet? Fear not, for the spirit of Nepalese cuisine can be recreated in your own kitchen. Seek out local Asian markets, their shelves brimming with exotic spices and unfamiliar ingredients. Don't be afraid to experiment, to let your senses guide you as you recreate the flavors that have captivated you. Imagine the satisfaction of steaming your own momos, their delicate folds a testament to your newfound skill. Picture the sizzle of cell roti batter hitting hot oil, the aroma filling your home with the promise of sweet, crispy goodness. And as you savor these homemade creations, let your imagination transport you to the bustling streets of Kathmandu, the Himalayas looming in the distance. While nothing can truly replace the experience of enjoying Nepalese street food at its source, recreating these dishes in your own kitchen is a way to keep the spirit of Nepal alive in your heart and on your plate. As we bid farewell to the vibrant world of Nepalese street food, let us carry with us the memories of flavors experienced, connections forged, and the realization that food has the power to transport us to distant lands and cultures. May the aroma of freshly steamed momos linger in our nostrils, a reminder of simple pleasures and shared moments. May the taste of tangy pani puri awaken our senses, urging us to embrace bold flavors and culinary adventures. And may the spirit of Nepalese hospitality stay with us, a testament to the warmth and generosity of the human spirit. Until we meet again, Nepal, may your mountains stand tall, your prayer flags flutter in the wind, and your street food continue to captivate the hearts and stomachs of all who are fortunate enough to experience its magic. This is more than just a goodbye, it's an invitation to return. For the allure of Nepalese street food, once experienced, is never truly forgotten. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.